guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. So today I'm going to do one more party look for you to wrap up the year, and it is a Glam silver eyeshadow false lash makeup look. So the eyes are pretty full on. There's silver shimmer, black crease, false lashes, you know, the whole thing. I also used my new little sample set from Tilbury, Pillow Talk lipstick and highlighter. It's really pretty. Stay tuned for a review I have coming up on that soon. But today's look is all about party, all about glam. So if you need a party look to finish out the year, I think this one could be for you. So, without any further ado, here is my silver shimmery party makeup look to wrap up the year. Enjoy. Start off with a silver eyeshadow, preferably metallic or shimmer, and just put that all over your eyelid. Get a nice super saturated silver shade. The shimmering or metallic one is perfect because it just gives you that glam appearance right off the bat. So just use a fluffy brush and saturate your eyelid just up to the crease of the eye. And then we'll go from there. Next, take a matte black eyeshadow on a little crease brush and start to work that through the crease of the eye. Just really cut that crease and take it out just a tad, a little bit of a wing almost, and just in a gentle motion working the shade back and forth so you get a nice black cut to the crease. You could use a glitter one if you want, but I think matte works best because we already have a sparkly metallic lid going on. But it's all about drama and it's up to you. So if you want your cut crease to be shimmery, go for it. Then use a blending brush to soften that black line through the crease just a bit, sort of buffing it up and out. A little bit of a back and forth sort of windshield wiper motion. Take a matte eyeshadow in a cream type shade and put that on the brow bone just to highlight our silver and black eyeshadows, just to frame it a little bit. Take a liquid liner, a black one, and trace that across your upper lashes. You don't have to worry about being too perfect or precise at this point because we're going to add lashes and then we'll add some more liquid liner. Take a eyeliner pencil and run that through your lower waterline of your eye just to give us an extra depth, stopping about 3/4 of the way across your eye. Go back in with some more of that matte black eyeshadow on a small angled brush and trace it along your lower lash line. Again, for more definition, more depth. This is a pretty intense makeup look, so nothing truly subtle about it. And just sort of meet that matte black shade with your upper eyeliner, the liquid liner. Use a mascara and coat your lashes, your top and bottom lashes. I coated the top ones pretty well, but I also put false lashes on in a minute, so they're going to get an extra coat once those are on. Take some dramatic lashes and pop those on with some lash glue. Make sure your lash glue is newer than mine, or it's going to take you a little time to work it out like it does for me. I'm not terribly talented at putting on false lashes anyway, so it takes me a long time. I just cut it down for the video's sake. So just set it on there, and then I just use tweezers to set it where I want on the lash line. Sometimes I just tap it on, sometimes I use my fingertips. Really whatever I gotta do to get those lashes on there. Then I ran some more liquid liner any places I wanted to hide the seams. Go back in with some more of our silver eyeshadow in the corners of the eyes, right along the tear duct area as well, just for some extra shimmer. And just be careful not to hit the black shadow too much or it'll smudge. Next, a concealer. And just clean up any fallout you may have. I always like to take the concealer down like a triangle shape and then blend it just so you don't have too many lines of concealer. And it sort of melts in with the rest of the face makeup. Then with a contour shade, trace that just under your cheekbone. At first I go a little light and then I'm like, no, this is a glam look. I'm doing a heavier contour. So I just keep adding more of this brown contour shade until I like what I have. Sort of wrap it around the cheekbone as you get towards the nose a little bit. And then I like to blend it out with my fingertips. I think it gives it the warmest sort of natural effect. So just keep blending it out so you get the shade you want. Same thing on the other side. Under the cheekbone, wrapping around upwards. And then blend it with your fingertips until you get the intensity you want. Then I have this really pretty highlighter from Tilbury, and I place that on the tops of the cheekbones and a little down to the apples of the cheeks, up into the temples. It's such a nice highlighter. I have a review on it soon, so stay tuned for that. And then since it's liquid, I just blend it with my fingertips, and it really gives you that sort of lit from within glow. Awesome when the light hits it. So pretty. Next, take a matte blush. This one's in the shade Party, which is pretty fitting for this glam look. And pop that on the apples of your cheeks, sort of blending into your contour shade. Just really bringing it all together. Don't forget to make a weird face like I am, because where's the fun in that? Yes, so just blending it, swirling it together, really bringing all of those face shades together nicely. Next, I took a lip liner from Tilbury, and I traced my lips, obviously. Another really nice product that I have a review coming up on soon. So just trace along your lips. This one you can reshape with too, so if you have a slightly uneven lips, you can just overline a little bit and no one will notice. Next, a lipstick from Tilbury as well, in the shade Pillow Talk, pretty famous shade. And just pop that on your top and bottom lips. Really comfortable shade. And here we have my finished glam party makeup look. It's excellent for these end of the year parties, any get together you really would be going to. It's pretty full on, but it's fun. It's workable, I think, for a lot of different events. The lashes are great. That's a wrap on my silver eyeshadow party look. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find it useful and that you can wear it to some of the parties you have coming up soon. Stay tuned for the Charlotte Tilbury set review that I used in the middle there. I really like what I've used so far. But it'll be a more in-depth review, so stay tuned for that. Check out the blog for more details and more information. If you like this, subscribe and like it. If you didn't, well, I'm sure you'll find something else you like. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great rest of your year. I will see you in 2024. Take care. Bye.